Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got my second beauty subscription box for July and it is Glossybox. And we're back to the usual pink box. Last month was a special edition bag. If you're new to Glossybox, Glossybox costs £13.50 a month and that includes shipping, and this is Glossybox UK. Inside you find 5 beauty items and every box has a minimum value of £50. I have a refer a friend code which will entitle you to receive £5 off your first box, bringing it down to £8.50. So if you fancy subscribing this month and taking advantage of the discount, then you will find, I'll pop up the link on the screen, but you'll find it down below in my description, as well as a link to the subscription and any other offers they've got running, like their summer limited edition beauty bag. Then you'll find it all down there. So yeah, so let's get on to opening this up, seeing what's inside. I haven't seen any sneak peeks. I had a look at the start of the month, but I haven't been very well, so I've had a few quiet days, and yeah, so I don't know what's inside. Oh, it looks jam-packed. What is in here? We just got a few larger items than normal, which is nice. I know it's not necessarily about the size of these things, but when you've got a really full, heavy box, I don't know, there's something, it just makes me a little bit more happier than if we've got a box full of tiny little samples. Regardless of the price and the value and stuff, yeah, I just feel more satisfied opening up a box that is big and full then, you know. On to the scanning. So the theme for this month is summer vibes. See if I can get any extra information and any sneak peek for next month as well. And just have a look to see if we get any variations. No, it looks like we'll all receive the same this month. There's a fly flying around me and it's doing my head in. I am really sorry if you can hear it. There is no information or photos about what we receive in next month's box. So never mind. So let's get back to the products then. And starting off with a cleanser. This is from Neutrogena, and this is their new look Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Cleanser. Gently cleanses to remove excess makeup and dirt. Clinically proven to increase skin's hydration. It contains hyaluronic acid. There's 200 ml here. And this is full size and it retails for £8.99. It's great that we got a full size cleanser. The cleanser is developed with an innovative hyaluronic gel matrix to lock in hydration and continuously release it throughout the day as and when your skin needs it. I just want to sniff it. See what it smells like. It smells nice. Really nice and fresh. Am I dripping it down the side? I am. Oh, what a plonker. I haven't tried it before. I really like it, and I like the little pump there. So we've got a water gel cleanser. Then we've got some eyelash curlers. These are from So Eco and they're just eyelash curlers. This is obviously full size and they retail for £5. Improve and enhance the effect of your mascara with this easy use lash curler, which features a simple squeeze and release motion. I do actually like these. They're nice and compact. Can you see? As far as eyelash curlers go, these are a nice pair. I do have quite a few, but no, I like those. I like the colour as well. We've got So Eco eyelash curlers. Next, we've got a return of a brand we haven't seen in beauty boxes for a long while, maybe even a couple of years. This is Luna by Luna. It's an eyeshadow pencil in shade Truffle. This is full size and it retails for £17. Nice chocolatey espresso sort of shade. Obviously it's called Truffle though. And you got brush then to brush through. See your eyebrows. That's a nice colour for me. The only negative about this is that we don't all have the same eyebrow shade. But say if you're really pale, let's do some light strokes. The only difference is that when I was pressing, obviously you can see the lines a lot thicker. For all you lighter eyebrowed people out there, yeah, you might not get along with that, unfortunately. I don't think it is catered to our preferences. I've been a subscriber to Glossybox for years, since 2017. I have had a break now and again, but yeah, I don't think so anyway. I think we all get the same colour. It's a versatile pencil, so yeah, we all get the same shade in that one. Next, we've got another full-size item. We've got an After Sun. This is by Feel Free Natural Skincare. It's Chamomile Calming After Sun Balm. Feel Free. It doesn't ring a bell, this brand. It retails for £11. It's formulated with calming organic chamomile extract and aloe vera juice. Easy application thanks to its light texture for all skin types. Apply to dry or slightly damp skin and distribute evenly throughout the body. Okay. Calming after sun moisturizer for your body. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. It's fruity. It's nice. It's right. The bee is behind. It's not a bee. It's a fly. I'm sure it's attracted to the ring light. I'm gonna have to try and get it out. It's left my skin feeling a little bit tacky. Not like tacky of product, but it's not as smooth or soft then, you know, as some like body butters and body creams and things. But it's all right. It's fine, and it did feel nice blending it into my skin. So yeah, we got an After Sun by Feel Free. And our last item is also full size. So we've got 5 full-size products in this box, and it is by Glossybox. This is a Kyla Hydrating Facial Mist to revive and refresh in Orange Blossom, and there's 50 mils there. Okay. Refresh throughout the day with hydrating orange blossom. What can I do it today? Orange Blossom Essence helps to revive dull complexions and smooth hot, itchy and sensitized skin. And it says to shake before you use. Let's try it in the air first before I... Oh no, that's not too bad. Ooh. That is... It's not a fine mist. It's a nice mist, but it's not really fine. But no, it does feel nice. It's just, if you were to apply quite a bit to your face, then you'll need to hold your hair back or else it'll get soaked, basically. This retails for £8. Revive flustered skin and relieve irritation throughout the day with a cooling blend of tea tree and orange blossom essence. Harmony and pH balance restored. Yeah, so we've got a face mist there. So those are all the products. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Cleanser. We've got a Feel Free After Sun Chamomile Soothing Balm. We've got a pair of So Eco Eyelash Curlers. We've got a Luna by Luna Eyebrow Pencil in shade Truffle. And lastly, we've got a Kyla Hydrating Face Mist by Glossybox. Now my maths isn't the best, but I've just added it all up and it comes to exactly £50. I think the standout product for me is the Neutrogena Water Gel Cleanser. That's going to be a great addition to the bathroom. We've got a bathroom downstairs. The 3 boys in the family use cleansers as well, so that'll definitely be put to good use. The cleansing balm, which is more of a lotion, I'm not that fussed about them because I've mentioned it previously in other videos. I don't like sunbathing. I don't sunbathe. I love walking in the sun. I'm factor 50. I don't burn. I'm thinking of when I'm on holiday abroad somewhere. But yeah, so I never used After Sun before, but I know my husband, when he does cycling or he's out and about, sometimes he'll have a burn on his neck where his SPF has worn off. So having something like this in the house is a handy thing to have, but it's not something that excites me then. But yeah. But anyway, I'd love to hear what you think. What do you think of this month's box? Are you a subscriber? Are you excited to get it? Or are you thinking, oh, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.